Hi, this is my 2018 11-inch iPad Pro. I've had it since 2018, and as the box, and I'm trading this for the 2020 iPad Air. And you may or may not care, but I decided to just make a video anyway. Well, one of the reasons that I'm changing it is because it's only 64 gig, and I filled that up pretty quick. I should have got a larger one. And another is I'm not all that big on Face ID, because usually I hold mine when I'm using it like this, and my hand's always covering the camera. So I believe that the new finger touch ID is going to work better for me. I know a lot of people really like Face ID. I like it on my phone, but I don't know if I need it for my iPad. Now here's the box I just got from the UPS store. I don't need no knife. Air. Okay. Here's the new iPad Air. I'm sure you've seen a lot of unboxing. As you can see, this is the okay, again, it's upside down. Sorry. This is the 256 gig 4th gen iPad Air. And I do this with one hand. Doesn't seem to be that difficult so far. A lot of unboxing. As you can see, this is the okay, again, it's upside down. Sorry. This is the 256 gig 4th gen iPad Air. And I do this with one hand. Doesn't seem to be that difficult so far. Okay. This should have come right out of here. The front of the box. There's the iPad. Yeah, how's that? iPad. What's in the box? This booklet, designed by Apple in California. Did anybody ever read this stuff? Oh, there's the charger and the cable. And there's some stickers in there or something. I don't know. You ever use those stickers for anything? Okay. Oh, it's got I had my name and number put on it in case I lost it. Okay, power it on now. Try to do this from here. Hello. Swipe up. I speak English. United States. I guess I'll set it up manually. I'm gonna turn to the right. Okay, through a passcode. Okay, I think I'm gonna transfer directly from iPad. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this to sign in and set up. It says continue. Hold your new iPad up to the camera. iPad near. Information is transferred. Yeah, sorry about the awkwardness. Okay. Your account is protected by the passcode of your other iPad. This cannot be read. Transfer data from iPad Pro. Yeah. Okay, as far as transferring data, I wanted to set this up as a new iPad, but I did zip my files to this archive zip. I'm just going to transfer this to the new iPad. And drop. Okay. Okay, now I really like the new design. I chose a blue color. I don't know, they talk about the refresh rate. Got my Apple Pencil. It seems to work okay. I like it so far. Apple sent me this.